People you don't know it's your boy Gryzzly beer, beer vibes, beer fun, beer things, most people, beer facts and that one yeah. Yeah, before me even go no further, if you not press the subscribe button yet, just when you smash it. You know what I mean? Reggae vibes it, you see me I say, and that bell there, the reggae vibes notification bell, more if you touch it up over there, so zine. But watch ya. Big up Valiant, you know what I mean? The youngest uprising artist. You see me I say I go out with one whole heap of something. When me I say one whole heap of something within a week or so, the man drop 2, 3 tunes. You see me I say 4 songs. You see me I say, yeah. I mean I tell you I go out with one whole heap of something. But right now, the latest song, you don't know the man that go science and go dance and the whole heap of something. But the latest song, you know what I mean, Rasta. I won't talk about Rasta. You know, Rasta no go meet our pastor. You see me and say, yeah, Rasta holds certain hard and Rasta indigenous to them lifestyle and, you know, holds certain conscious meditation. You see me and say, and all righteous order. You see? Yeah, so right now, I don't know if, when me did hear the song, yeah, I love the song. The whole vibes and the whole thing, bouncy and the whole vibration and everything. You see me and say? Yeah, but I don't look upon it in a certain way. You know what I mean? We're humorous. So, the Rasta community now, you know what I mean? Big up Kabaka Pyramid. They don't know artists winning Grammy Award. You see me I say what them Shellway, the big show, Black and Proud with Anthony B. You see me I say in Amazura. You see me? Yeah, in New York there. Hot. But right now, Kabaka, I don't know a fire. You don't know the fireman, them about beer fire. Fire. So, a beer fire. Beer fire, it's a dash east, west, north, and south. All. But right now, Valiant have to dodge and just have to stay. So, you see it? Yeah, when I listen to the song, Valiant never said nothing bad about Rasta. You know what I mean? And I don't know. In the comments down there, someone have to write for me. You see me? And someone have to tell me what your views prior to the whole song. You see me? If you feel like Valiant did a Mac and Jeer Rasta. You know what I mean? And the order of Rastafari. You see me and say, and just want your take. Just comment right down there so. But right now, Kabaka bun, hey, the man at Hyan. You see me and say, I don't know. When I look on the video, the whole of you, them, you know what I mean, Craft, YG, Pablo, the whole of you, them, in some Rasta. Tam with some locks up now, some sitting, you see it? Yeah, so, people, you don't know. Rasta is a set of people where, you know, very humorous, jovial set of people, you know, conscious set of people, you know, positive set of people. And Valiant is a jovial and positive artist also, yet still, you know, although him sing some songs where the Rasta community, you know, might not necessarily agree with or love or like. So, this might, you know, create that controversy that we are in. Kabaka could have feel like, say, and right now you don't know Kabaka will a mantle in a Rastafari, right? Him could have looked at and say, boy, you know, say, the youth come like a mac and toast, mac and toast Rasta. You see me, I say, can them take Rasta thing and fling it in a video. You see me, I say, and a mac and toast and some of the context and some of the things them what they must say. Now go well with Rasta. Rasta na live certain way, Rasta na take part or partake in a certain thing. So, youth, where you say youth, where you do youth, you know what I mean, Kabaka voice. You see me, I say, yeah. So people, me don't know. Cause right now this hot hotter than fire party. Hotter than fire coal. You see me I say hotter than fireside. Zin. So as I say earlier, subscribe. You know what I mean? Like and share the video. Share it with a friend, family, somebody. You see me I say, cause you don't know Reggae Vibes Media bring the hottest, most trending information we are going within entertainment, dancehall and music. You see me I say, yeah, we're on our part of the world, we're on so. 2023, Reggae Vibes Media, our world, I hear my talk, quick and fast like how Messi kick and pass and I'm out.